manner of death was ruled homicide. The night of November 6, Anna told her family she wasn't feeling well and went back to her cabin early. That cabin, the one she shared with her half-brother and her stepbrother, according to testimony from the December 5th custody hearing, nobody in the family saw Anna for approximately 17 hours before her body was discovered. Her stepmother admitted on the stand that she didn't check on Anna that night. The next morning, Anna didn't show up for breakfast. A frantic search began, and then the housekeeper opened that door. The death certificate issued November 25th by the Florida Bureau of Vital Statistics confirmed what the family had already been told by investigators. Anna died from mechanical asphyxia. The manner of death was ruled homicide. The document specifically states she was mechanically asphyxiated by other persons. A medical examiner not involved in this case explained to reporters that mechanical asphyxia means something, an object, a physical force cut off her airway. And according to a source who spoke to ABC News, preliminary findings suggest it was likely caused by a bar hold, an arm pressed across the neck. There were no drugs in Anna's system, no alcohol, no signs of sexual assault, just an 18-year-old girl who stopped breathing in a cabin she shared with her stepbrother.